There's the hat. Here you go.
Why are you videoing me? Oh my goodness.
Mommy.
Wow. Look at that. What is that? That's a chicken? And look, he goes with the chicken up there. See the ones in the center? They go with the chicken up there. Yeah? Isn't that the same
Yeah. Okay, now look on the back. All in bottom corner.
Oh, yeah. Stitched by Grandma Grace. Machine quilted by Mary with love for Emery. 2012. Aww.
Okay, and it has this up here. Where's the top? See this?
Yeah.
You can put a rod through it so you can hang it. It's a wall hanging. We'll hang it over there on the wall.
Oh, yeah. That's perfect. Wow.
Okay?
Oh my gosh, look, there's eggs.
Mm-hmm.
I was wondering what that was.
And then look at the stitching.
Leaves.
Yep.
Yeah.
Wow, yeah. That's going to look really cute on the wall. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah.